Hello, this is Cass WMS, and I kind of messed up because I'm a mommy, and lots of times I try to include my child in, into the activities that I'm doing. I got the kid hooked on 3D printing, so he's really taking it to another level. And I found this and I forgot to double check, and I'm gonna have to go back and put it in my comment. But I was on Amazon and I noticed that they had this particular board on sale for the Bambu printer, 3D printer, and that's what I have. I have a Bambu 3D printer, and I really only have it because my little guy, who's not so little, had had 8 machines, and he wasn't using them all, and I was like, well, give your mama one. And so, man, will you look at that? This is the on the Bambu printer. When you're using multiple colors, it creates this tower block, and it kind of uses whatever the colors are that you use. And I think as it changes colors, it goes over to this block and it makes sure that the color is flowing properly. And so it always creates this block. But look how pretty the back of that block is. You can see. And it's all because the design is kind of etched on the plate. So these were my faith earrings, and they don't have a lot of, let's see, I was trying to peel them up because I haven't taken one off the plate. They don't have a lot of space on the back, but to even have a little bit of that is so nice. So nice. It looks nice and interesting, and it gives you that flicker of light. And so I said, oh, my other plate was soil, and I thought while it was drying, I said, let me try this new plate. And I love what it created for me. And the reason why I say, oh, I was a bad mommy, the bad thing was only, I think I paid maybe $6 for this bill plate. And normally the bill plates can be, $20 or more. And around that price range. And this plate was on Amazon, and it was like one of those specials, and I jumped on it. And so now I have this plate, and when I decide to design some jewelry, I can have this fancy background. I have these, and I think they would look really nice with that on the front or the back of the earring. So when I print some more of those, I'm going to use that. But I was excited, and I said I was going to do a quick video and just share the fact that I had created these. I've got a pop-up shop that I'm going to be doing in Harlem this Saturday. Let's see. And I think I'll put it in the description. So, because if you're in the New York area, it's going to be on 7th Avenue and 135th Street. And well, she was kind of like a co-worker when I worked in the school. She is running this particular event. And I'm like, okay, this is my first pop-up event in New York City, and I'm hoping it goes well. And I thought these faith earrings would be really nice. And I have some other earrings that I need to work on and get together for this event on Saturday. So this is my quickie for today. This is Cass WMS signing off for now. Okay, bye-bye.